What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you absolutely live for that next adventure, that next stamp in your passport, that next incredible memory. But let's be real, sometimes the getting there part can be a little stressful. Packing, navigating, budgeting, it can all feel a bit overwhelming. But what if I told you that a few simple tricks could completely transform the way you travel, making it smoother, cheaper, and way more fun? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm counting down my top 10 genius travel hacks that you are seriously going to wish you knew sooner. These are the tried and true tips that I've picked up over years of exploring the globe, the ones that have saved me from countless headaches and helped me make the most of every single trip. Are you ready? Let's dive in and start hacking our way to better adventures. Alright, kicking off our countdown at number 10 is a hack that completely revolutionized how I pack my suitcase. Hack number 10. Pack smart with packing cubes. Now, if you've ever tried packing your luggage for a long flight and find a ton of clothes, toiletries, and who knows what else that just doesn't fit, then you need to listen up. Packing cubes are basically little zippered fabric containers that you use to compartmentalize everything inside your bag. Think of them as drawers for your suitcase. With packing cubes, I can dedicate one cube for shirts, another for pants, one for socks and underwear, and maybe a smaller one for electronics and chargers. The real magic happens when you arrive at your destination. Instead of dumping your entire suitcase onto the bed, you just pull out the cube you need. Unpacking takes literally seconds. Many packing cubes, especially compression-style ones, work wonders for saving space. You can fit way more into your suitcase than you think, which is perfect if you're trying to travel carry-on only. Coming in hot at number 9, we have a classic tip that pairs perfectly with our last hack. Hack number 9. Roll, don't fold your clothes. The rolling method is superior for two main reasons. It minimizes wrinkles and maximizes space. When you tightly roll your clothes, you're not creating those hard creases that folding does. Lay your item of clothing flat, fold in the sleeves or sides, and then roll it up as tightly as you can like a little travel burrito. You'll be shocked at the extra room you suddenly have for souvenirs or that extra pair of shoes. I've tested this method time and time again, and rolling wins every single time. Combine this with packing cubes, and you'll be a certified packing master, ready to take on the world with a perfectly organized, wrinkle-free wardrobe. Alright, let's move out of the suitcase and into navigating a new city. This next one is a lifesaver. Hack number 8. Use Google Maps offline. Imagine this. You've just landed in a new country. You step out of the airport, pull out your phone to find your way to your hotel, and no signal. Google Maps has a fantastic feature that so many people don't know exists, the ability to download entire map areas for offline use. Before you leave for your trip, while connected to Wi-Fi, open Google Maps, search for your city, tap the three-dot menu, and select Download Offline Map. This has saved me more times than I can count. Whether finding a restaurant in Venice or navigating Seoul's subway, having that offline map gives me confidence to explore freely without fear of getting lost. Moving on to hack number 7, and honestly this is a tip that will keep you powered up no matter where you are in the world. Hack number 7. Bring a universal power adapter. In the early days of my travels, I had a whole bag full of different adapters. One for the UK, one for Europe, another for Australia. It was bulky, confusing, and I always grabbed the wrong one. A universal power adapter is an all-in-one device with slidable prongs and switches that can configure it to fit into almost any outlet on Earth. The best modern universal adapters come equipped with multiple USB-A and USB-C ports built right in. You can plug the adapter into the wall and charge 3 or 4 devices simultaneously. Instead of a tangled mess of chargers and desperate search for more sockets, you have one elegant solution. Don't leave home without one. We're at hack number 6, and this one is all about preparing for the unexpected. It's a simple digital backup plan that could save you from a major travel disaster. Hack number 6, email yourself important documents. We all hope for smooth sailing, but life happens. Luggage gets lost, wallets get stolen, and things get misplaced. Having a digital lifeline with all your critical information can make a world of difference. Before you leave, take clear photos or scans of your passport, visas, driver's license, and credit cards, front and back. Create a new email, attach all these files, and send it to yourself with a clear subject line. You can also save them to Google Drive or Dropbox for another layer of backup. If your passport gets stolen, you have a copy to take to the embassy, dramatically speeding up emergency replacement. This 5-minute task provides incredible security and peace of mind. Alright, we are officially at the halfway point. Coming in at number 5 is a hack that is good for your wallet, good for your health, and good for the planet. Hack number 5, pack a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while traveling is incredibly important, especially with long flights, jet lag, and walking around all day. Buying bottled water every time you're thirsty adds up incredibly fast. A few dollars here and there can easily become a significant expense over a week-long trip. With your reusable bottle, you can fill up for free at hotels, public fountains, or refill stations. Beyond savings, think about environmental impact. The single-use plastic problem is a global crisis, and as travelers, we should be mindful of our footprint. My pro tip: bring an empty bottle through security, fill it up after, and stay properly hydrated throughout your entire journey. A reusable water bottle is an absolute travel essential. We're getting into the top tier now, and number 4 could save you hundreds of dollars on your biggest travel expense. Hack number 4, use incognito mode for flight searches. Have you ever searched for a flight, found a good price, went back hours later to book it, and discovered the price mysteriously went up? It's infuriating, and it might not be a coincidence. Many airline websites use cookies to track your browsing. If they see you repeatedly searching the same route, they identify you as a highly interested buyer and might show you higher prices. Incognito mode prevents sites from using your previous searches against you, meaning you're more likely to see baseline lowest available fares without dynamic pricing inflation. Always start flight searches in incognito, compare across multiple search engines, and consider using a VPN. While not guaranteed every time, it's a simple, zero-cost step that can help you snag the best possible deal. We've reached the top 3, and hack number 3 is an absolute non-negotiable for me in this digital age. Hack number 3, bring a portable charger. In today's world, our smartphone is our camera, map, translator, boarding pass, lifeline to family, and entertainment source. We rely on it for almost everything when we travel. There's no worse feeling than seeing that dreaded 10% battery notification when you're lost in a new city. A portable charger is your personal safety net. Imagine you're out sightseeing all day, taking photos, using GPS, looking up restaurants. By mid-afternoon your phone is dying, but you have evening plans. Instead of panicking, you plug into your power bank and keep going. You'll never worry about your phone dying before showing your boarding pass, missing that perfect sunset photo, or being unable to call for help. A 10,000 mAh charger is perfect for most travelers. Compact enough for your pocket but holds enough power to charge a smartphone 2 to 3 times. A portable charger is as essential as your passport. Coming in at number 2 is a hack that has nothing to do with packing or technology, but everything to do with connection and respect. Hack number 2. Learn basic local phrases. You don't need to become fluent, but learning key words like hello, goodbye, please, thank you, and excuse me goes an incredibly long way. It shows effort and respect that's almost always appreciated. Walking into a shop and greeting the owner in their native tongue breaks down barriers and can turn a simple transaction into a warm human moment. Beyond basics, learn useful phrases like how much is this, where is the bathroom, and do you speak English? My personal favorite is delicious, to compliment a cook on a fantastic meal. People's faces light up when they hear you trying. They're more willing to help, offer recommendations, or share a smile. This simple act can create memories you'll cherish far more than any souvenir. And here we are. We've arrived at the single most important travel hack on this list. This is the one I will shout from the rooftops, the one that is absolutely 100% non-negotiable. The number 1 travel hack is always have travel insurance. We're not talking about lost luggage. We're talking about major life-altering events. Emergency surgery in a foreign country, medical evacuation, scenarios that can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. It also covers trip cancellation. If a family member has a medical emergency and you need to cancel your non-refundable trip, or if a natural disaster hits your destination, insurance can reimburse those costs. No one wants to think about worst-case scenarios when planning adventures, but being a smart traveler means being prepared. Spending relatively little on comprehensive travel insurance gives you freedom to travel with true peace of mind. Please, I am begging you, do not leave your home country without it. It's the most important hack of all. And that is a wrap on my top 10 genius travel hacks. From packing cubes and power banks to offline maps and travel insurance, I truly hope you found these tips helpful. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your number 1 can't live without travel hack? Is there a genius tip that I missed? Head down to the comments section and share your wisdom. Let's create an amazing resource for everyone planning their next big adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. It really helps the channel more than you know. Until next time, happy travels and I'll see you in the next adventure.